Moving on in the national news. Supreme Court of India today held that the court cannot impose any timelines for decisions of the President and the Governor on granting assent to bills under Articles 200 and 201 of the Constitution. A five-judge bench of Supreme Court stressed that the actions of the President or Governors are not justiciable and judicial review can be invoked only when a bill becomes a law. This comes in response to President Draupadi Murmu's questions to the top court following a two-judge bench's verdict in Tamil Nadu governor case that effectively set a deadline for the President and Governors to clear bills passed by the legislature. The President had also asked if the exercise of constitutional discretion by the President under Article 201 of the Constitution of India is justiciable. President Draupadi Murmu had cited Article 361 of the Constitution, which says the President or the Governor shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise of the powers and duty of office. In response, the Apex Court has clarified that timelines for decisions of the President and the Governor on granting assent to bills cannot be imposed. At the same time, the court observed if there is a prolonged or unexplained delay by the Governor which frustrates the legislative process, then the court can exercise a limited power of judicial review to direct the Governor to decide in a time-bound manner without observing anything on the merits of the bill.